Math 9 Module, Week 6, Quadratic Inequalities. So let's have learning task number 1. Complete the table below by identifying whether the given is quadratic inequality or not. Put a check mark in the column of your choice, then answer the questions that follows. So ang gagawin lang po dito ay checkan nyo lang kung siya ba ay quadratic inequality or not. So let's have examples. Okay, so let's have number 1, 3x squared minus 6x minus 2. So this is not quadratic inequality. Why? Kasi siya ay expression lang. Wala siyang symbol ng inequality, kaya siya ay expression. Wala ding symbol ng equal sign, kaya expression lang. Next, number 2, we have x squared minus 2x minus 5 equals 0. So this is not inequality kasi ang ginamit na symbol ay equal sign. So ang tawag sa kanya ay quadratic equation, hindi inequality. Next, number 3, x minus 2x minus 8 is greater than or equal to 0. So not inequality din kasi wala siyang exponent na 2. Linear lang siya. Although meron siyang inequality sign, pero wala namang exponent na 2. Next, number 4, we have x minus 5 times x minus 1 greater than 0. So this is quadratic inequality. So meron siyang symbol ng inequality. So paano natin nasabing na siya ay quadratic? So we will use FOIL method. So x times x squared, x times negative 1, negative x, negative 5 times x, negative 5x, and negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5, then greater than 0. Then combine like terms, we will have x squared minus 6x plus 5 greater than 0. So siya ay may inequality at siya ay quadratic. That's why it is quadratic inequality. Next, let's have learning task number 2. Graph the following on a number line. So, bago tayo magkaroon ng examples, so, eto muna yung mga symbols ng ating inequality. So, we have less than, greater than, less than or equal to. Kapag may guhit sa baba, ibig sabihin merong or equal to. And then, greater than or equal to. And then, meron siyang circle according sa graph niya. Okay? So, ang graph ng less than at greater than ay open circle or walang shade or hollow circle. Walang laman yung loob. Kapag naman meron tayong or equal to o may guhit sa baba parehas, closed circle o yung merong shade o yung solid circle or yung closed circle. Okay? Okay, so let's have examples. So, number 1, we have x greater than negative 1. So, una, hahanapin muna natin si negative 1 sa ating number line. Ito si negative 1. And then, tingnan niyo yung symbol kung siya ba ay open or closed na circle ang gagamitin. Since walang guhit sa ilalim, ang gagamitin natin ay yung open na circle. And then, kung saan siya nakaturo, dun din nakaturo yung ating graph. So, going to the right tayo, kasi nakaturo siya sa right din yung ating graph. So, yan na yung ating graph sa number 1. Number 2, hanapin natin si negative 1. Eto si negative 1. So, ang gagamitin natin ay closed circle kasi meron siyang or equal to, meron siyang guhit sa ilalim. So, closed yung circle natin or shaded. Okay? And then, nakaturo siya sa left. So, pa-left din yung ating graph. Okay? Next, we have y greater than or equal to negative 1. So, ito si 1, closed ulit. Kasi meron siyang or equal to, may guhit sa ilalim. And then, going to the right. Kung mapapansin nyo, ayun, doon siya nakaturo sa right. Next, number 4, x greater than 1. Ito si 1, open. Wala siyang equal. Going to the right. Doon nakaturo sa right. Then, next, we have number 5, x less than negative 1. Si negative 1, open ulit. And then, nakaturo sa left. So, yan na yung ating graph. Yun lamang po para sa learning task number 2. And then, next learning task is about problem solving. So, I will teach you how to find the solution set of a quadratic inequality. Okay, so we have 3x squared minus 3x minus 18 less than or equal to 0. So we will find the solution of this quadratic inequality. So first step ay gagawin muna natin siyang equation. Transform the given inequality into equation. So itong ating inequality sign ay papalitan lang na equal sign. So we will have 3x squared minus 3x minus 18 equals 0. So bakit natin siya pinalitan? Para ma-solve natin siya using any method na pwede. Pwede tayong mag-quadratic formula, completing the square, or factoring para ma-solve natin ang kanyang roots. So this time we will use factoring. So factors ng 3x squared ay 3x and x. Factors ni 18, negative 18 ay positive 6 and negative 3. So check natin, 3x times x, 3x squared, positive 6 times negative 3, negative 18, and then positive 6x, then negative 9x, pag pinagsama ay negative 3x. And then next step, we will equate to 0. So 3x plus 6 equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0. And then solve lang natin siya, APE, 3x equals negative 6, and then MPE, so divide, we will have x equals negative 2. And then this one, we will have APE then, we will have positive 3. Okay? So we have negative 2 and positive 3. So the values of x, which are negative 2 and 3, are the critical points which can be used to obtain interval negative 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to positive 3. Meaning to say, ang ating solution set ay pwedeng negative 2, pwedeng between negative 2 and 3, and pwedeng positive 3. So take note na kasali po si negative 2 and 3 sa ating solution set kasi meron siyang equal. Okay? Pero kung wala, ibig sabihin hindi sila kasali. So try naman natin na i-graph. So hanapin si negative 2, eto si negative 2, closed ang ating circle kasi meron equal sign. And then si 3, closed din. And then i-connect lang. So, ibig sabihin, ang possible, ang pwedeng sagot natin ay negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Pero kung ito ay hindi, kung ito ay walang equal sign dito, kung walang or equal sa baba, ang sagot lang natin ay negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Hindi kasama sila. Pero dahil kasama sila, edi kasama din sila sa ating solution set. So, yun lamang po para sa ating quadratic inequalities. I hope you learned a lot today. See you again next week. Bye-bye.